In this video you will see the process of fixing cracks in stucco by ABN painting. Depending on the size of the crack and the type of texture the stucco has, one material may be preferable over another. For this crack we are using latex caulk. We squeeze it out of the tube using caulking gun, and then with a painter's brush we spread it around. This is the same area after we painted it. Here, to fix this crack, we need to scrape the edges of the crack to get rid of all the loose stucco. After we scraped the stucco around the edges of the crack, it became a little bit too large to fix it with caulk, so here we're using a stucco patch to fix this crack. And this is the stucco mix we're using. And after we applied it with a putty knife, we're using a wet sponge to blend it in with the rest of the stucco. This is after we finished the repair. And this is the same area after we painted the house. Here we are going to use the same stucco mix to fix the crack and an area where the stucco is missing. This is the same area after we painted the house. Now here we're going to fix the crack between the house and the wall that goes around the house in the exact same way that we fixed the previous two. This is after we finished with the repair. And this is the look after we painted the house. On this wall, on the video, it's a little bit hard to see, but it has a bunch of little hairline cracks going along this section of the wall, and we are going to fix them using elastomeric patch. This is the patch that we'll be using. We apply it with a roller, and we usually do it when there's a cluster of small cracks in the same area. It would be too time consuming to fix each one individually, so with a roller it would go a little bit faster. And the key to using a roller in applying elastomeric patch is to put it thin enough so there is no inconsistencies in the areas where you applied the patch and the areas where you don't have it. This is the same section of the wall after we're done with painting. Here there's a different house which had a much fewer cracks, and we use the same elastomeric patch, but only here we apply it with a brush to fix hairline cracks. And the same for cracks that are slightly larger, where we use regular latex caulk. This is the look after we're done painting this area.